The city of Sona is a ruin, its silence shattered by the echoing howls of the undead. Luna trembles, a lone, uninfected soul in a city consumed by terror. The zombies catch her scent, driven by an insatiable hunger for living flesh. Luna flees, knowing the relentless pursuit is closing in. Tony appears, a flicker of humanity against the encroaching darkness. He signals Luna to escape, choosing to stand against the horde. Luna escapes, but the horror of the chase lingers. The zombies overwhelm, forcing Tony to retreat and regroup. Tony searches for Luna, his only ally in this desolate world. Luna panics when someone approaches, but then realizes it's Tony. The two cling to each other, searching for life in the dead city. Before they could rest, the dead swarmed in again. A new battle began, and Tony signaled Luna to find another hiding place. The number of zombies that Tony took down was considerable. However, he did not expect that they could revive because guns and bullets could not take them down. With no other choice, Tony had to continue running away to save his life. Tony and Luna decided to brave the danger to reach the laboratory where there was a drug to neutralize zombies. After a day of searching, they finally reached their destination. Tony is delighted to discover the antidote, which could save the city. With the antidote in hand, Tony and Luna decide to find the zombies instead of letting them find them. Tony confidently took down the zombies with the antidote. After half a day of fighting, Tony and Luna finally won. The cure works, restoring humanity to the once lost souls. They happily celebrated being returned to human form. A city reborn, they move forward, carrying the weight of their survival. A new dawn breaks, casting hope across a world they fought to reclaim.